Dumelang landlords, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, please help me congratulate uThobile Mseleku. Now, Uma Khumalo posted a post and she was like, dear madam. So the picture that she posted says, Thobile Mseleku, Chief Communications Officer slash member ESG team. Hi guys, congratulations to Uma Khumalo. Remember some of y'all were asking ukuthi girl is just up ngemali yama radio interviews only with the money. Yama reality TV shows and no, it can't be her money. It needs to be Mseleku's money. Girl is making moves. And naturally, we went to her comment sections to congratulate her. Now, here are a few comments that I found interesting. Uncles Nsi said, "Hi Thobile, ngizokushaya. Usuya o-COO wena manje. Yo labafazi balo baba ufuna bakuzondele into ekhona. Ave ngikholelwa entweni enawe. Congratulations, Mrs. M." Remember, they don't want to think of as all that. You know the power of a woman and believing in yourself and thinking you are all that. It's very important. But Lady Do South Africa says, "Othwale ingqondo ekhanda. I love you." Meaning ukuthi ugelo usebenzisa imedula oblongata. Then BS Kitchen Marvels continue to say, "Look at God. How ntombazana, standa se country, making moves." Guys, the reason why people are also happy for Uma Khumalo, it's because of the things that Ubaba Mseleku has mentioned, right? Yes, Uma Khumalo has, with her own mouth, said, "I would not be here where I am because if it wasn't for Umtombeni." And we always say that because we journey with our husbands and because they are a great contribution in helping us and we bounce ideas through them. That does not necessarily mean Uguti Uma Khumalo did not apply herself in the whole process. So Miss Lexi said, "Boss lady, when grace and favor locates you, none can stop nor take it away." Yes, clack it. Then I am Kamo Aloy says, "This is how you move. In silence, mama. This is how you move when you are isolated." I think Uguti Umseleku no Khumalo, maybe they are in a better space, right? But the reason I'm saying that is because I saw the Christmas video that Umpilo Ntle had posted. I think honestly they're in a better place. But everybody is happy because Uma Khumalo deserves this. You know, sometimes we define people by the norms of our culture and we forget ukuthi God has destined other people for greatness. Uma Khumalo is just not destined to be umfazi wakamseleku esithenjini. She's also destined for greatness, hence this position. And then Uzinhle Gamsi said, "Ndlunkulu wethu, I love you so much. You are beautiful inside and out. You inspire me. Mzilikazi, young, successful." You know, I think what life also has taught me as an individual is that as women, we spread so much hate amongst each other that when things like this happen and we are celebrated by other women, you feel like it's shocking. Guys, I'm so excited for Uma Khumalo, right? I don't know what this means for her, but for her to post it, it means no, girl is making moves. Then Usaneli wati, uzovuka uzovuka ushukela olokhuza today because he's very threatened by your success. And remember, I made a statement telling you guys that my husband said the reason why a man does not want to see a woman succeed, it is because they will finally realize that they were giving mediocre all along. But right now, they are giving their all, and that might shake a man that does not understand his position or is not confident where God has placed him in the family, because sometimes God will elevate this woman to show who he is via the woman, hence Uma Khumalo. Then Uzozo Stofile says, "Uhambile Uhambile ohambileyo wakhuphuka phuma njalo. Congratulations, Thobile. I'm so happy for Thobile, guys. I am so happy. And I think one thing also that makes me happy for Thobile is that we were celebrating the other wife for upgrading on that. They usually call them pyramid scheme, but I have another word. Oh, I forgot about it. But we were celebrating her, and it was easy to celebrate her, but it's always difficult to celebrate Uma Khumalo because Uma Khumalo is seen as this woman that is acting as if she's nonchalant and. But now we see why she didn't care. It's because she knew Uguti she needs to build herself. Now, Ukoko says God will always show off with his kids. In him we believe, hey? Congratulations, a queen. And when God repays you, it's as if you've never cried ever in your life. Then Oponto says, when God says yes, nobody can say no. Congratulations, my faith. And then Itstiri says, kuyashoda makhe. You forgot something, Makhumalo. You forgot to say radio personality. Producer Ntontoni. Add, Mama. Add. You are not only this, but over and above. Nje, uyakhuphuka, girl. You are making the things that makes the pots to be done. And remember ukuthi Seleko was saying ukuthi uBakhumalo umbiza a narcissist, like he's a core narcissist. Like, okay, fine. Let me read the last two comments, right, that caught my attention. I loved this one because it's Tarazelo, and I felt ukuthi this person is really happy for Uma Khumalo because most of the time when you are called by your clan names, then it shows ukuthi this person has gratitude towards you or what you're doing. So Metallic Mabu said, Aw mzilikazi. Aw mzilikazi. Kamashobane. Mtungwa. Mbulazi, Ndonda. Yes, honey. And then the last one says, Uyinkunzi, Mashobane. Ungezwa bathi. And don't ever doubt that. Now, my comment is, girl, God has your back and God is showing off. Uguti, women, stand up for each other, protect each other, cover each other, and I will do the rest. And this is what we are seeing via this post, Kama Khumalo. Congratulations, Mrs. Mseleku. This is your girl, Adisebo D. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.